Hello there, my name is Shelby and I've been sent these beautiful outdoor patio curtains in exchange for my honest review. I'm really excited for these because the first start, the packaging was nice and they are so beautiful looking. You can see that they have this beautiful sheer look to them, very sturdy rings to hang the curtain rod on, and I just love how it looks overall. And the curtain tie that it comes with is so pretty. I love how it turned out, and I'll show you a little bit more of that once it's on the curtain. We're just gonna go ahead and fold it up in the way you would to get a curtain on the curtain rod. It's really simple. The rings are large enough that it just slipped right onto the curtain rod and it was super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these other ones on now, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it'll look like hanging. So here I have it hanging. You can see that the curtains are this really beautiful sheer white color. They have some creases in them, but those will go away with time. You can see that it's a really well made material, really well put together, that hangs super beautifully. And now you can see the tie, it holds it together really well, super cute. And you can see a closer look to it. It's like this pretty shiny white and shiny gold color with a little tassel on the end. But overall, these curtains are super cute and I highly recommend you get them.